Everyone wants to make money while they sleep. But here's the truth. Most people chase passive income the wrong way. They start a dropshipping store, buy some random course from a YouTube ad, and give up when it doesn't work in 30 days. The real way to make money while you sleep isn't magic, it's systems. Here's how it actually works. Step 1. Build something once that keeps paying you later. That could be a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a digital product like a template or guide. The key is, you put in the work up front, then automation and attention do the heavy lifting. Step 2. Add automation tools to keep things running. iTools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Canva Magic Studio can help you write, design, and publish content faster than ever. Once you build a small system that runs on autopilot, that's when the real magic happens. Step 3. Monetize strategically. You don't need to sell courses. You can use affiliate links, YouTube ad revenue, digital downloads, or even low-cost subscription models. Focus on building value first, the income follows naturally. And here's the best part. You don't need a massive audience or startup money. You just need one great idea, a few smart tools, and the patience to let it grow. Because money while you sleep isn't a dream, it's a system that pays you back for every hour you've already worked.